In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check ChatGPT web references. If you've ever wondered where an answer came from, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to see the references that informed it, so you can evaluate the information with confidence. Start by opening the specific ChatGPT response you want to verify. This can be any message already in your conversation. Make sure you're looking at the full response so you have access to all of its options. Now move to the bottom of that response. Right along the lower left edge of the message, you'll see a small set of options. Among these, look for the one labeled Sources. This is your gateway to the references behind the answer. Depending on your interface, the options may appear as text or with small icons next to them, but the label Sources will be there when references are available. Click Sources. As soon as you do, a Sources tab will open on the right side of your screen. This panel collects the web references that were used to generate the answer you're viewing. You'll typically see the site name, the title of the page or article, and sometimes a short excerpt or description. The idea is to make it easy to understand where the information came from at a glance. This view is especially helpful when you want to quickly assess credibility and freshness. You can note the publication, the topic, and the general alignment with the answer, which helps you judge how authoritative or up-to-date the information is. When multiple references appear, it usually means the answer drew from several places to provide a more complete explanation. If only a single reference appears, that may indicate the response relied on one primary source. Keep in mind that some responses might not show sources. That can happen when the answer is based on general knowledge or when references aren't applicable for that particular reply. When sources are present, the panel is there to offer transparency and context, not just a list of links. It's a quick way to see the backbone of the response and understand how the content was synthesized. And that's all there is to it. Open the response you care about, go to the bottom of it, click Sources on the lower left, and review the Sources tab that opens on the right. Use it anytime you want to check where information came from and make more informed decisions with what you read.